Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about how to find profitable affiliate programs for your niche. If you're an aspiring affiliate marketer looking to monetize your niche, this video is for you. We'll guide you through the process of finding reputable affiliate programs that align with your niche and offer lucrative opportunities. Let's get started. The first step in finding profitable affiliate programs is to identify your niche. Your niche is the specific area of interest or expertise where you'll be focusing your affiliate marketing efforts. It could be anything from fitness and wellness to technology or fashion. Once you have your niche in mind, it's time to research and discover affiliate programs that cater to your audience's needs within that niche. Start by exploring affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are platforms that connect affiliates with a wide range of affiliate programs. They act as intermediaries, handling program management, commission payments, and tracking. Some popular affiliate networks include Online Business Network, ClickBank, and Rapid Profit Machine. Sign up for these networks, browse their program directories, and search for programs related to your niche. Another effective way to find profitable affiliate programs is to research individual companies within your niche. Look for companies that have products or services that resonate with your audience and offer affiliate programs. Visit the websites of companies you admire or those that align with your niche. Look for an affiliate or partnership section on their website. If you don't find one, reach out to their customer support or do a quick Google search using the company name and affiliate program. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates. Higher commissions can significantly impact your earnings, especially when combined with strong conversion rates. Additionally, consider the average order value, AOV, of the products or services being promoted. Higher-priced products with a reasonable commission rate can result in more significant earnings per sale. Beyond the financial aspect, it's essential to assess the quality and relevance of the products or services offered by affiliate programs. Promoting high-quality products that align with your audience's needs and interests builds trust and enhances your credibility as an affiliate marketer. Take the time to research the products, read customer reviews, and evaluate their overall reputation in the market. Ensure that the products or services you promote are valuable and provide genuine solutions to your audience. Finally, before making a final decision, reach out to the affiliate program support team or affiliate managers. Ask questions about their program, commission structure, and any promotional resources they provide. A responsive and supportive affiliate program team can greatly enhance your experience as an affiliate marketer. Remember, finding profitable affiliate programs is an ongoing process. Continuously explore new opportunities, test different programs, and monitor your results. This will allow you to optimize your efforts and focus on the programs that yield the best results. Congratulations! You've learned how to find profitable affiliate programs for your niche. By researching affiliate networks, exploring individual companies, evaluating earning potential and product relevance, and reaching out to program support teams, you're well on your way to monetizing your niche effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it beneficial.